And of course, we're not gonna sell these, so it doesn't have to be picture perfect.
Hi, this is your girl Phoebe. Welcome to our channel. We're Krazy Thursday, and we would love to become your go-to source for hassle-free Korean food that tastes better than your Asian takeout.
So okay guys, it's February here in Korea right now, and for winter, Koreans love to have hotteok. It's like a sweet Korean pancake. People like blow the hot pancakes with their hands and they go like ho ho, so that's why it's called hotteok. That's the sound that we make when we blow something really hot. Okay, so for the ingredients, it's really simple today. We're just gonna need this hotteok mix. I'm gonna use one from Pixel brand, but we also have like otugi. They have different sorts of recipes there, so you can just get whatever is available in your market. We're gonna need a little bit of oil for frying and some water. And this water needs to be in particular temperature. So I'm gonna teach you how to make that. Make sure you have a kettle with you. We need the water that's 45 Celsius degrees. So we're gonna mix the cold water with boiled water. We're gonna prep the water first. You need a total of 180 millimeters of water. The water needs to be in a particular temperature because there's gonna be yeast inside. Okay, while our water is boiling, let me take this out. So I used to make this like all the time when I was a kid. So I'm really excited. This is the jam mix. Jam is like these like sugary, cinnamony ingredients that are going inside the pancakes. Hotteok mix. This is flour that is seasoned, and it also comes with the yeast that is crucial for fermenting our dough. Okay, so I'm gonna pour in the mix. Pour everything in here. Okay, I have my dry ingredient here. My kettle just finished boiling. So as I told you, I am going to add, this is about 60 milliliters. So I'm gonna add this much hot water in here. I'm also gonna add 120 milliliters of cold water. And finally, we're gonna add the yeast. So I'm gonna put the yeast in here. So if you touch it, it's gonna be quite warm because of the hot water. Finally put my hands into the dough. So I'm gonna mix this around for a few more minutes, and then I'm gonna cover it with the cloth that I have here and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Flipping. Let me cover this with the cloth. Okay, we'll leave this covered for about 5 minutes. I'll be back in 5. Okay guys, so 5 minutes has passed and I think our dough has risen quite a lot. First, you're gonna cut the dough into 8 pieces. And of course, we're not gonna sell these, so it doesn't have to be picture perfect, but it's always good to make them in similar sizes. So I'm gonna put some oil to my hands, just a little bit. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna get the jam mix. This is like mixture of brown sugar and some peanuts. If you are allergic to any of these for some reason, you can always just add like sweet ingredients in there. I sometimes add my almonds or other kind of nuts. Make sure it's dry because if you're gonna put wet ingredients inside the dough, it's gonna be a disaster. Okay, so it's easy. You just press it like this, add maybe 1.5 teaspoon, and fold each ends together like this. Pinch, and then pinch. The pinch side goes face down when you fry it later. our first batch is ready right here. So oil your pan. Be generous. And this, what you do is that it has to be.
너무 크잖아.
아니 눌러야 돼.
아니 그러니까 프라이팬이 너무 이러면
어떻게?
하나만 해야 되지 않은 김에.
Be generous. The sealed part has to come face down. So I'm gonna put this face down. So this time I'm gonna put 2 doughs at once. Press it, press it, press it. Move around so that they don't burn. And flip. Can you hear this? It's gonna be so crispy.
Okay guys, we've finished cooking them and we have some of the jam mix left over, so I'm gonna just add these as condiments. It's gonna make it even more sweeter and nice. And I actually want to show you what it's gonna look like on the inside.
You guys see? Like the jam is inside and they've been melting because it's so hot. So that's why we call them the jam mix. It turns into a jam. Like this. Oh, it's gonna be so nice. And it's actually really hot. So I'm gonna go and eat and enjoy. Okay guys, so I'm gonna enjoy our hot dog, our sweet pancakes with some lactose-free milk. I added these as decorations. This is actually called kokgam, which is dried persimmons. Also one of Korea's really well-loved snacks. So it's very sweet and it has also a lot of vitamins, so Koreans love this. So I'm gonna try, let's see. Put my hands like this, so it's gonna have a really doughy texture. I'm gonna dip it in my milk and eat it with this. Okay, I'm just gonna go and enjoy more of my pancake. So if you like this video, please like and please don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments how your winter Korean snacks went. And please share with your friends and family. Have a great day guys. This was Phoebe from Krazy Thursday. Bye-bye. Okay, so press it like this. I think I can add one more, right? Cause like my guys at the back, they've been dissing me about putting all 4 doughs into this pan. I think we could do one more.
No.
Okay, they said no, so okay, never mind. It you think it's gonna burn? Flip. Guys, come on, be with me. 개탔어. Okay, NG. Take this off.
You think it's gonna burn?